In 2017, the Salvation Army around the whole world is mobilizing.
Yes, the South African territory joins the world in mobilizing.
Every division, every corps, every social center, and every soldier, every junior soldier, mobilizing. It is our Captain Jesus himself who said, "Go, yes, go, into the whole world and preach the good news to everyone."
We will mobilize. This is nothing new for our Salvation Army, but a reminder to go out of our halls, our citadels, our buildings, and back to the streets, our birthplace and our mission field.
Save to save, save to serve. We are called onto the streets, to the playgrounds, our workplace, at school, on the taxis, wherever we find ourselves, mobilized to share the greatest news ever told.
Yes, we will march and have open airs, but mobilizing is so much more. What is it that you can do as a soldier, an officer, a corps, a division to mobilize? Led by God, let us go forward. Siya phambili. Allowing our creative juices to flow. We should be out there holding kids clubs in the park, getting into intentional conversations, counseling at the local police station, schools, cleaning the environment, sports ministry, being involved in community groups, social advocacy, and so much more.
Let us go forward. Let us mobilize.